Hi all, let's learn making different shapes of Toran using different cuts and different foldings using single and multiple leaves. Using single leaf, we can make 4 different types of Toran and maybe even more based on your creativity. Learning the technique helps us understand the making using different cuts easily. Here is the first and easiest Toran. Cut downwards as shown in the marking till you reach the midrib. Separate half of leaf from midrib and fold each leaf as shown in the video. This is how your Toran will look when you complete the full leaf folding. When you cut the leaf upwards till midrib at regular intervals, you get the second house shape Toran. Good for Gurapresam, right? Folding is same like the first Toran, just the cut is different. This is how your completed Toran will look like. When you don't like the midrib to be seen, go for this longer cut Toran. Separate very small portion of leaf from midrib, which would be just enough for folding. This Toran gives a richer look, for the full leaf is covered with design without gaps. Two sides folding of leaf with multiple cuts is shown now. Fold the cut leaves alternatively forwards and backwards. This Toran looks different than other 3 Torans. Here is the multiple leaves folding video. Cut all 4 leaves together and join together with thread. Make a cut in one leaf and insert another leaf through it. You can also use a stapler for joints. Here is how it looks after you complete the folding. This is the second method of multiple leaves folding. Here we fold the leaf backwards. Cut all 4 leaves together and join together with thread. Fold the leaf backwards and fix with a needle and thread, or you can fix it with a stapler. You can also use 6 leaves in place of 4 leaves for a richer look. You can tie some flowers in the gaps. Do comment, like and share this video. What's your favorite of all these 6 designs?
వధువుకు అందం, చూపరులకు ఆహ్లాదం, సొగసుకు మణిదీపం, పెళ్లి పూల జడ.